This video has quite a story to it, which begins in Denmark. For my European viewers, I have good news. This paint company is awesome and now you have another choice for paint. This package was stuck in United States Customs for a month and a half. A really long time. When I finally got my package, I noticed that colors that matched in my head perfectly did not match in real life at all. Like, at all. What was I thinking? That's when panic set in. I had this beautiful dresser and I had to think of something to work. Waiting for more paint was not an option. This is when I got an idea to use the green color with black wax. I cleaned a piece of the camera, but as usual, that's how I started. I also knew I would change the hardware, so I removed it. I have some card holder handles and I knew they will look perfect on this dresser. And those green drawer liners got to go. They are pretty outdated, to say it nicely, like been in style in the 1980s. I put some wood filler to cover the holes. Then I got my 120 grit sandpaper to scuff up the top. When you get these shiny surfaces, it's better to lightly sand them to make sure our paint sticks. I usually don't do this, but this top was extremely shiny. Like, I haven't seen shiny top like that in a while. We can wipe that down with a wet towel to clean the dust off. And finally, we are ready to paint. These products are high quality and I was really impressed. I really loved everything they sent me. The brushes were amazing. I chose this beautiful green called Moroccan Green. Such a pretty shade of green. Great job, Nordic Chic. I used their natural bristle brush, which I love. The brushes are great quality and very affordable. The paint is thick and I want some texture, so it's perfect. No need to water it down for this effect, and I'm also tapping for more texture. When you want more texture, all you have to do is just tap. Tap, 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 tap. Texture, texture, texture. But this paint will give you some texture even if you don't tap it. Nordic Chic has amazing coverage. All I needed was 2 coats of green and I covered my dresser completely. I tapped and painted in every which direction for both coats. While my paint was drying, I decided to spray paint my new hardware. I wanted it to be gold and it was looking like brass. And I don't like brass, I like gold. We already know that. It's quick and easy to do them all at once, so that's really nice. You just spray, done. Once everything was dry, it was time to add some depth to my piece. For this, we will use some clear and black wax. Clear for protection, black to add the depth and dimension to this beautiful dresser. I'm pretty sure this is why they held my package in customs for so long. The wax was opened and some was missing, like half of the can was missing. But that's fine. The important thing is that I finally got my package. We have to add clear wax before the black wax. I have to say, I really love this wax. It goes on so smoothly and it's so easy to use. There is no brush strokes, stripes, those lines. Now with my black wax, I'm using it to create depth or shadows. I like to do it around the corners. The closer I'm to the edge, the darker I go. Here is a closer look. If you watch my videos, you know I love to do this. I love adding depth and dimension to my pieces. So yummy. You got this, yummy, yummy, yummy. I repeated this for all the drawers. This is actually easy to do. It seems intimidating at first, but it's not. Once you do one drawer, your confidence will grow. So just be brave. Don't be afraid of black wax. I did the same for the top. This is the part that drives my husband crazy. I just eyeball the new hardware, then screw it in place. I like to mark it with a sharp object at first. It really helps the screw go right where I want it. One final step I like to do is add some shadows to the hardware, around the hardware. I do this with a detail brush and black wax around the hardware. I call this a modern farmhouse or farmhouse glam because it's like a farmhousey feeling with a gold glam, which I really love. So I hope you like it. We added character and dimension and gold. Definitely a big yes. My final thoughts about Nordic Chic paint, that it's all natural, great, amazing paint with great coverage. I love their brushes, love their paint, love their waxes. I love the company. That's it. To calm down. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next Friday. Bye guys. Bye bye.